You know, 98% of the time we don't know what the hell we're doing, and this was one of them.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight.
The funny thing is, when we bought this, we didn't really think we'd use the dinette area in general.
Yeah.
And we actually use it a lot.
A lot.
So, which is great. That's awesome. So, we are trying to make it our own. I need to add some stuff. We've already taken off all of our valances.
Yep.
Which has already opened up the space a lot, I believe. I have been wanting a rug underneath this table. If you watched the one video, maybe Jason can link it up in the YouTube area.
We'll see. I'm not very
Somewhere,
good.
maybe right there. We'll try. Maybe you can do it right here. But we'll try. On our, I don't even know. I think our tour is when it was that I was talking about.
Yeah, it was a tour.
And I had a battle of the bristles, and the rug was my battle, and I won. So I finally found a rug. I got this. Or you realized.
That's
what?
Subject to.
I won.
But
that's fine. So I found this rug on, and I ended up going on Amazon. Go figure. You know, I try to shop local, but sometimes Amazon wins. We actually took this table out. We bought wood, we bought table legs, we bought stain, and we actually made a whole nother table. And then we ended up taking the legs off, returning the legs, and the piece of wood is still underneath our camper.
And look, the idea was good, but once we put it there and we had the table sitting right here,
it was a fail.
It was so bad. We were both you sat looking out the window, which we thought was going to be a good idea. But then once we got there and tried it out, it was so awkward because your back was to the kitchen.
We didn't like it. We ended up just getting rid of it. We're gonna try the command strips. So I got black rods and white things, so I'm hoping it doesn't look stupid.
Alright, well, as you can see by the lack of curtains hanging behind me, that was an utter failure. I don't know. You know, 98% of the time we don't know what the hell we're doing, and this was one of those times. Right?
Yeah.
So, basically, let me tell you what's the problem. So pretty much, this command strip sits right here. It can only go so far because you have to take it off like that, right? So it can't go too far up. Problem is it can't go too far down or it won't clear the curtain. So sitting right here where it needs to be, when you put the bar on here, the curtain rests on the shade, and then as you roll the shade up and down, the shade rubs on the curtain.
Well, and it doesn't look good. But the rug is great.
But the rug came out, so, you know.
I like the rug.
Hey. After yesterday's fail, this is what we're going to try today. Here's the aftermath. Got the curtains hung. What do you think, babe?
I'm so freaking excited. This has been a mission of mine since August. It's January. So, I'm super excited. I will have to say that if you're going to take out your balances and keep the roller shades, you have to have a 3-inch distance. So, those cheap dorm room, first apartment curtain rods that are super, super cheap, these kind, work amazing. I know he screwed in the wall, but oh well. But they work perfect, and they fill the gap also, which Jason was super worried about, peeping toms. I'm super excited. And plus they're very lightweight, and then we got a lightweight curtain too. But I think it opens that space and brightens it, and also makes it more homey.
Yep, looks good.
I'm excited.
Alright, so we're going to the balloon festival today. So we gotta take him for a walk first. And then, that's what it's called, right? The balloon festival?
Like the hot air balloon festival or something.
Oh, the hot air. the hot air balloon festival. I guess the cold air balloon festival is next week. So we're going to the hot air balloon festival today. First we gotta take this guy for a walk. He just ate, and he pretty much runs the show, so we just live on his schedule. So
this ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow the lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow the lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last.
I think I want to spell his name.
Frankly,
there's only one way to spell my name.
that's way too big. I'm just playing. Perfect. Look at that. That's perfect.
I don't know about that.
I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in.
Well, the balloon festival was a little bit of a bust in the sense that there were no balloons in the air. It was too windy here in Florida. We had like a little bit of a cold front come through again, so it got kind of windy this last night during the evening, so they kind of called off the balloons. But they did a light show at the end of the night. We got to hang out with some really cool new friends. If you're on Instagram or TikTok, their names are BB OnlyVans. It's Bravo OnlyVans. I'll put a link down in the description of this video. Really great people, Brittany and Brandon. They're about to go full time as of the filming of this video. They're about to go full time. They're starting to sell. They're in the process of selling all their stuff. So give them a follow their journey. Yeah. So now, all right. Kristel just texted me and said our new toilet, Dometic 320, just arrived at the campground. She's working at the front office because she work camps here. So I'm gonna go get it. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to install this thing and actually have a full ring of water around the bowl. So excited to get rid of the poop. And scene. I can't. So the I say so and then I say It's like a follow up. Well, well, I'll say well. On either Instagram or